Hello and welcome to Paul Sharing Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as it hits the lot. Also, if you want to look at any of the still pictures of the specific truck or anything else we have in our lot with a full description of every vehicle, visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. This Classic is a regular cab, it's a two-wheel drive, and it's got all the black accents all the way around it, and it's a super cool little truck. Starting off from the front, we did opt for the sport appearance packets on this specific truck, which is going to give you your factory painted front bumper. And then you're also going to notice you do have the black inserts on your grille, along with all the badging on this truck, just like this Ram right here, Ram logo, completely blacked out. 20-inch factory blacked out Ram rims. All the badging, like I said, completely blacked out. And one of the most important badges is that right there, that 5.7 liter Hemi motor. Couldn't ask for anything better than that Hemi. Motor's been around since 05, I believe, 04, 05. It's been around forever. Great motor. This particular truck does not have a spray and bed liner, but it can be added. There's several companies around us that can add it for us, Linex and Z-Bart. So if it's something that was a deal breaker, we could definitely get you a price on that. It has your 7-pin and 4-pin wiring hookups located right there by your license plate bracket. It does also have dual exhaust on this specific truck. And it does not have the rear hitch located here in the center, but that's something that can be added very easily. We made sure it was prepped with all the wiring, so the only thing that has to be added if something you're interested in is just the hitch bracket. And guys, this is an extremely hard truck to find around here. Not too many dealers order it, especially in Ohio with it being two-wheel drive and a regular cab. It seems like we do really, really well with these trucks just because they're a really hard truck to find. We always try to keep a couple of them in stock, especially with the Hemi, which is definitely a really, really cool and fast, fun truck to drive. Power mirrors, as you can see here. Power windows and power locks. A really nice cloth seat. And behind the seats, you're going to have plenty of storage room, as you can see. Side curtain airbags also in this. Automatic overhead headlights, and a really nice interior cab with plenty of features. First thing you're going to notice is on the left hand side of the steering wheel, these 4 buttons here are going to operate your instrument cluster located here in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge. Right now it's set on miles per hour, but it can be changed to a bunch of different stuff, like for example tire pressure, range till empty, current miles per gallon, average miles per gallon, and a bunch of other cool features built in there. Right above that, these top two buttons, you can program your phone directly into this specific truck. So you can be driving down the road, hit the phone button, have the conversation directly through your speaker system, which is a really nice feature to have for safety reasons. On the right hand side, you're able to switch gears while driving down the road if you need to. And then these 4 buttons down here are going to operate your cruise control. Turn dial right here, once we put it in reverse, as you can see, backup camera, which is factory, really nice feature. AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. We do have a free subscription with that Sirius XM radio when buying it brand new. It has media capability where you can download media directly in here. And also it does have your climate control that can be operated inside this touchscreen radio, or it can be operated in between the 2 buttons right here on the outside, which is your volume for your radio, and then this center, all these center pieces right here is for your climate control also. So there's 2 spots you can do your climate control. There's an app store that's built in here. It does have Wi-Fi hotspot capability, Active Service Go, which has a bunch of really cool stuff built in there, a bunch of really cool apps that are built into this specific radio. And like I said, you can pair your phone so you can have your conversations directly through your speaker system. This particular vehicle, like I said, it is equipped for towing capability. Just does not have the hitch on the back, so you are going to have your tow haul button right there. And you're also going to have your 12-volt DC plug right here, and then you're also going to have another one by the passenger. Overall, really nice truck with center console. The center console can be flipped up for a 3-passenger. Cup holders and plenty of little storage inside that center console. Like I said, guys, this is a brand new arrival to the store. Regular cab, 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. It's got all the blacked out accents all the way around, whether you're looking at the rims that are blacked out, all the badging, front grille, just a really cool truck. The whole truck's painted monochromatic, meaning the front and rear bumper are painted to match the exterior color of this vehicle. Large radio, as you saw inside. It's all touchscreen with a bunch of really cool features and free Sirius XM radio. Guys, if you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot, just like this one here today. If you want to see any of the still pictures of a specific truck, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And for the guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned vehicle in stock, make sure you always visit Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.